In this video, you will learn about using should have. This video is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, use should to give advice or to tell someone that they must complete an action. For example, you should run faster. You can come first. Or, they should study hard to score better marks. Should is most commonly used to talk about what is the best thing to do in a situation. For example, they should keep their washroom clean. Or, there should be 5 candles on her birthday cake. Should have is used to talk about things that were supposed to happen in the past but didn't happen. It is used to express regret. For example, I should have completed my homework. Or, we should have gone for her farewell party. This sentence means that the speaker regrets not going for her farewell since she is now upset with them. Use should have to say that a different action was recommended in the past. For example, I should have left for the airport on time. Or, you should have completed the report. Should have is also used to talk about something that would have happened if everything was fine but hasn't happened. For example, Jess's flight should have landed by now. This sentence means that if everything is fine, Jess's flight should have landed. The courier should have come by today. This sentence means that the courier would have reached home if everything was fine. Now you know how to use should have.